Good morning, children. Let us continue Geography Lesson 3 Mineral and Power Resources. In previous classes, what we have learned what is a mineral, different types of the minerals, metallic, non metallic, ferrous, and non ferrous, and also these are the minerals how they distributed through igneous and also the metamorphic sedimentary rocks, and all this distribution of the minerals in which continents it is there. We have learned the in which continents what are the minerals are available, and also the what are the uses of the minerals. So all these minerals, the minerals are available, we are using the minerals, and also the how we should use the minerals. So today let us learn about the conservation of minerals. Minerals are non-renewable resources. It takes thousands of years for formation and concentration of minerals. So, minerals are a non-renewable. So, if you have learned about the renewable and non-renewable. So, children, the renewable resources means we are using that present resource, but again and again it is available within a 1 year also. Again when it season comes, it will be renewable. For example, I can say for you, water is a renewable resource. The water, why it is a renewable resource? So in rainy season water is available, we use for the growing of the crops, and also the we use for many different purposes also. In the same way, the renewable, again it is going to be renewed, again it is going to be available within a period of time. But the minerals are non-renewable. So why it is non-renewable? When we use the minerals, to form the minerals it takes thousands of years. Once we use minerals, again to form that minerals we have to wait for thousands of years. So that's why the example of the renewable resources is the water. Non-renewable resources is a mineral. To form the mineral, it takes thousands of years in deep of the earth, and the rate of formation is much smaller than rate at which the human consume these minerals. It is necessary to reduce the wastage in the process of mining. Recycling of metals is another way of in which the mineral resources can be conserved. So the minerals we have to use very carefully also, and also the what we should do it, we have to minerals in our daily life we are using, we have to use very carefully also. We have to what we have to do it, we have to conserve the minerals. Conservation of a minerals in a similar manner also we have to use the very limited. Even the continents and also in the different countries different mineral deposits are available. When it is available in a period of time, how much it is needed, they have to take it out and use it. So that's why the recycling and also the to renew the minerals, it takes the more time, we have to conserve the minerals. So children, I hope that you have understand the minerals. What do you mean by the minerals? How we are extracting, how we take out the minerals by mining, quarrying, and also the drilling and shaft mining. Through that we are taking out, where in rocks the minerals are available. So that's why the minerals in our daily life when we are using, we have to conserve the minerals, the conservation of the minerals. So the next one is the power resources. Here the small story they have given, so I will tell for you. Sunny's mother begins her day by switching on the geyser. She irons Sunny's school uniform before waking him up. She then rushes to the kitchen to prepare a glass of orange juice for him in the blender. So, in a small story, what Sunny mother is doing, she started by switching on the geyser to take the bath hot water. First, she starts with the on of the geyser, and she's iron the uniform, and she's going to be the kitchen and using the uh, mixie, and also the she's going to prepare a juice. And Sunny, have you finished taking bath? The mother is asking to him, have you finished taking bath? Come and have your breakfast. If you have completed the finished breakfast, you have to come and take the breakfast, calls out mother while preparing breakfast on the gas stove for Sunny. And while going to school, Sunny forgets to switch off lights and fans. And also the so children, in a story, what the Sunny and mother is doing here, just in a story, the Sunny forget to switch off the light and fan, and when mother switches them off, she thinks that life in the cities may be more comfortable, but its dependency on more and more gadgets of which consume energy has led to wide gap between the demand and the supply. So in a she was thinking city life is a very comfortable life, okay, and they are using the more power. What power they were using, we'll see in here. And also there is a more demand also, demand and supply. With the advent of science and technology, the lifestyles are changing very fast. So children, in the story, what you have understood, to keep the hot water in a city, they have to switch on the geyser. To make the juice, they have to use the mixie. And to cook the food, they were using the gas. And also the to switch on the fan or switch off the fan, they were using the power. So all these works also, how, what power they were using, they were using the power of electricity. She was thinking city life is a better, but where they were using, there is a more demand also. So power energy plays vital role in our lives. In our daily life, the power is playing the more important role also. We also need power for industry, agriculture, transport, communication, and defense. Power resource may be broadly categorized as conventional and non-conventional resources. So, through the story, what we have understood, the Sunny mother was using the power to make hot water, and also the using the power to iron the dress, using the power to cook the food. For each and everything also the power they were using. In our daily life, we are using the power, and also we also need power for industries, agriculture, transport, communication, and defense. Power resources be broadly categorized conventional and non-conventional resources. So children, once you have to read conservation of minerals and power resources through small story, we can understand the more information. Let us learn tomorrow about the conventional resources and non-conventional resources also. Thank you.